Hi, it's Michelle here, LAMAV's brand educator. Bringing dull and dehydrated skin back to life does not have to be complicated. You can easily rehydrate your skin and lock in moisture every day with our Hydration Organic Skincare Essentials Pack. Containing 3 daily essentials to cleanse, hydrate and lock in moisture. This pack is all you'll need to give your skin the boost it needs and reveal a plump, revitalized complexion. Our Marula Oil Cleanser contains a nourishing blend of oils that cleanses the skin and gently dissolves makeup and impurities to reveal a clear, radiant complexion. The antioxidant-rich formula enhances your skin's natural repair and keeps the lipid barrier intact, restoring moisture balance and giving you a healthy glow. Gently massage all over the face and neck using circular motions. Rinse off with lukewarm water or wipe away with our bamboo cleansing cloth. Our Hyaluronic Hydromax serum is designed to give dry and dehydrated skin a powerful shield to lock in moisture and restore radiance. Skin-loving hyaluronic acid, CoEnzyme Q10 and Quandong transforms the skin's texture to appear plumper and hydrated. This not only rehydrates, but it will deliver long-term age-defying results. You can use this serum morning and night after cleansing and toning. Simply press a small amount onto your face, neck and décolletage and allow it to fully absorb before following with your chosen LAMAV moisturizer. Our ultra-hydrating hyaluronic moisture day cream delivers an instant radiant glow that continues to deliver hydration throughout the day. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, visibly and emu apple to maintain moisture levels, while soothing aloe vera and sandalwood seed oil help to promote a healthy, glowing complexion. You can use this moisture cream morning and night after cleansing and toning. Simply apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean fingertips and gently press onto the face, neck and décolletage and allow to fully absorb.